We're working on Index 8 injectors, as you can see. And in between these two inner lines is ideal. The graph will be blue. That shows that that's within factory spec. Anything between these larger lines is green, which means it's good. Anything outside of those will be red. So currently it's adjusting parameters for test number 3. Let's see how test number 3 does on our Index 8 cleaning and testing. Another blue, in other words, optimal factory spec result on test number 3. So far, they've all been fantastic. BMW Index 8 Piezo injectors. Here's number 2, Index 8. Last one was number 1. Same thing, performing fantastic. Well, not every Index 8 turns out amazing. A lot of our Index 8s turn out better than you would expect as a result of our POWERFLUSH cleaning. Index 8, number 3. And as you can see, we're running a leak test at 94 bar. And as you can see, we have no leaks. Again, largely attributed to the POWERFLUSH. While not all Index 8 injectors turn out great, some of them are simply worn and we can't resolve that. We do have pretty good luck with pre-Index 11 index injectors as well.